For 30 years, we have been looking for the cause of Alzheimer's in the wrong place. 45 million people are living with this disease right now. And for 3 decades, we have spent over $42 billions, chasing a single theory that sticky flakes outside of brain cells were the enemy. We built drugs to destroy them, we ran massive, expensive trials, and yet the disease continued to destroy lives. But this week, that entire narrative just got rewritten. Researchers at UC Riverside just published a study in PNAS Nexus that suggests the plaques we have been fighting was just a side effect, not the cause. And the real battleground, it's been happening inside our neurons all along. So, what did we get wrong? In 30 years, the amyloid cascade hypothesis was the gold standard. We believed that a protein called amyloid beta clumped together outside brain cells, forming those plaques, which then killed the neuron. It made sense on paper, but in reality, even when drugs successfully cleared those plaques, the patients did not get better. Their memories still faded, their decline continued. It was one of the most frustrating, heartbreaking dead ends in modern medicine. The UC Riverside team, led by Jan Julian, did something different. They used a fluorescent marker to watch amyloid beta inside the neuron. Here is what they found. Neurons have these tiny internal structures called microtubules. Think of them as miniature railway tracks that moves nutrients and signals through the cell. There is another protein, tau, whose job is to keep those tracks stable. But amyloid beta and tau are effectively fighting for the exact same spot on those tracks. When amyloid beta builds up inside the cell, it kicks the tau protein off. Once tau is pushed off, the tracks collapse. The cell can't transport nutrients. It starves and eventually dies. Then, and this is the critical part, the displaced amyloid beta accumulates outside the cell, forming the plaques you have been targeting for years. You're treating the aftermath, not the actual cause. Does this mean a cure is coming tomorrow? No. Science does not work that fast, but it means that for the first time in 30 years, we have a new map. Instead of just trying to clean up plaques, future research can focus on preventing amyloid beta from competing with tau in the first place, or strengthening those microtubules so they don't break down. We are not just shooting in the dark anymore. We have a target, and for 45 million people and their families, this is the most important news in the generation. If you have a loved ones affected by this, or if you are just following the science, please share this. It's a massive moment for medical research. Thanks for watching.